The Lotus 7. Lightweight, simple technology, and low costs made the 7 the dream car of all racers with a tight budget.
The number 7 has impressed itself firmly in the mind of Matthias Klemm. This 7 is for him a critical value of a simple but effective formula of locomotion.
Yes, this is a Lotus 7 S3, built in 1970. It is one of 112 built. The series had a total of 350 units. This is the 12th of 13 vehicles built, with a twin-cam engine. This is one of the Super 7 SS.
The 1.6-litre twin-cam by Lotus delivers 115 horsepower, more than enough power for a vehicle weighing just over 500 kilos. The birth of the Lotus 7 took place in the tradition-rich country of the United Kingdom. The motorsports company Lotus has been represented in racing since 1948. The brilliant Lotus founder Colin Chapman focuses on lightweight construction and optimum driving performance. These construction characteristics bring Lotus a series of victories and titles, even in Formula One. With the Mark VI, Lotus puts these principles into a street sports car for the first time.
The secret of Lotus was to leave off all that does not belong to a car. The special thing about 7 is its go-kart-like driving characteristics. It is basically a street-legal race car. Particularly noteworthy is the low weight. It weighs 510 kilos and makes the car more agile, and makes acceleration possible, which would otherwise only be possible with a motorcycle. My 7 is currently powered by a 2-liter series engine purely for cost reasons. To preserve the original engine and keep the price of the sport low, I have removed the Lotus engine, also to find a bit more power.
But the original engine assembly slumbers at home on the shelf.
The engine is machined on the cylinder head, sports camshafts, Weber carburetor in order to preserve the classic shape, and currently has 180 horsepower.
To let fly with this type of light-footed sports machine, a high sense of enjoyment. With a power-to-weight ratio of only 3 kilos per horsepower, the 7 hardly has an enemy to fear on winding country roads. Even in wet conditions, a modified 7 like this behaves good-naturedly, provided one has some practice.
Due to the fact that the 7 has such a low center of gravity, the vehicle is extremely well-natured and also suitable for motorsport beginners, despite the low weight and the high engine performance.
Klemm drives his 7 in historic race sport. He likes playing the role of the hunter of larger and more powerful opponents.
So personally, I drive club sport circuit racing and hill climbs. On the racetrack, we take on the touring cars and try to annoy them. We can leave Cadet and others far behind us. Our competition is called Porsche. I work on cars myself because besides driving a 7, working on a 7 is my second hobby.
The Lotus 7, a stroke of genius from the drawer of the construction and lightweight fanatic Colin Chapman.